quick on. Ooh, let's see what we got. What we got. Woo! So I'm just checking in to see what we got going on here. What's up, guys? We are gonna be trading. Um, Federal rate interest rate decision is gonna happen here in less than 6 minutes. Less than 6 minutes. Hope you guys are just as excited as I am. Yeah, I saw that. In 5 minutes for the interest rate decision. Now, we do know that the interest rate decision is going up today. Now, what's going to be the big talk is what's going to happen with their next, what is their next move on fighting this inflation for the U.S. economy here, and what the Federal Reserve is planning on doing for the remainder of this quarter and transitioning over to the fourth quarter, which would be the winter season of trading. I just want to hop in here and see if my I'm just trying to see if my live stream is good to go. I know I'm just talking right now, so I just want to make sure everything's good to go. Uh, yes, that's my plan. Yes, that's my plan. I am just checking to see everything is good to go on my end here. Okay, what's up? Just on my live stream, on my channel, making sure everything is good to go. My anticipation is to sell the US dollar index for this upcoming news events boss hit here in less than 5 minutes here for the federal rate decision. We already know that they plan on raising rates already from 2.5 to 3.25. So it's a 75 basis point increase from the last one. Now, there was a talk of raising it by 1 basis point, which would go from 2.5 to 3.5. Now, I don't know if that would be a sudden change for a sudden decision for them to make that rapid move here. That would be pretty interesting to see because that would be a really big move for all the markets, especially for this anticipation that's about to happen here. So, what do I got going on here? So, GBP CAD, baby. Mitchell, I don't trade that pair, so you're on your own on that one. I would not even. I don't. Personally, there's no point trading any cross pairs when it comes to the federal rate decision. It's all major pairs. Gold, that's a good one. I'm not trading gold on this one. I'm actually looking at selling UJ, USDJPY. I'm actually looking at selling US dollar Swiss franc, selling USD CAD, and buying euro. Pound has been down significantly already. The major pair that's been down a lot already for today is euro. Euro has been a significant move down. US dollar index has been on a major rise ever since this whole week, pretty much. US dollar has been up since Monday. I mean, up since Tuesday, you can say that, but it's been up. And that's why I've been anticipating this move quite a bit here. We got 2 minutes. We got two. Oh, wait, what? Okay, maybe we got a minute. Okay, so we got a minute left here. Now, hold on. We got a minute left. Nope, we got less than 55 seconds. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 35 seconds. 25 seconds. Ooh. We got 10 seconds. Oh, it's gonna get crazy, I tell ya. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, whoops, wrong one. What am I looking at? Oh no, I lost money. Oh, press conference is at... Let me just check here. Hang on 1 second, guys. Yes, we know they're raising rates. Come on down. Hang on. Just hang on 1 second. Hang on 1 second. Hang on 1 second. Wait 1 second. I'm just checking the charts. Wow, they actually did what I anticipated wrong. Well, lesson learned. Don't do what I did today, guys. The anticipation is going the other way. Might have to wait for the press conference to come out on this one. Whoa, what happened here? Okay. I'm not worried about that. I have to tell my guys here, we are looking at a different setup here. Let's see, 1 minute into the news here. It makes me want to get in. It does make me want to get in. It really does. Hang on. I actually am interested in getting in here. I actually am. Hang on. Let me see here. Really interested in getting in on here. Hang on. Even though it's spiked up, I don't really care for the first move. What I do care about is what's going to happen here for the press conference. We're only in 2 minutes of the news session here that just released 2 minutes ago. Press conference is in 28 minutes. I'm not too worried about that. Hang on. I'm gonna wait for a couple more minutes to see where this is gonna be headed for a bit, and I'm gonna go ahead. I don't trade GBP CAD, so I don't know what you're asking about that. I'm sorry, I don't trade that pair, and you're better off trading the pound to the dollar if that's what you want to trade. Damn, they dropped pound like nothing, dude. Alright, so I'm looking at a retracement. That's what I'd be looking at. What happened to... Interesting. Hold on. Go ahead. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Alright. Let's see here. I see that, I see that, I see that. I'm really interested in taking a move here. Hang on. 5 minutes about to be coming in real quick. What did he say? All I'm waiting on. Damn, they are still trying to drop gold like nothing. That is crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy day. Crazy day, guys. Crazy day. I don't care for that. Hang on. What did he say? Oh, that's fine. I'm not worried about that. 6 minutes past on the interest rate decision. 23 minutes for the press conference. Hang on 1 second. I already took a loss. I'm just waiting for the retracement to hit, and I'm gonna get back on it. Let's see here. Missed out. I'm just reading up on some news here. I'm just waiting on to see what's gonna go happen here. If I don't see an opportunity, I will just end up just calling it a day. Like I said, you don't want to try and do... The biggest thing is when people take a major loss, especially when there's news events, a day like this, you really have to dive down and justify if you were to come back on your losses. for the next hour. And so the market is still in high volume and high volatility, but you also have to justify yourself in the anticipation of the market. We have the press conference here in 20 minutes, and if that press conference doesn't change the markets where you're anticipating, you end up taking more of a hit. So I do anticipate for some kind of retracement and pullback. So that is what I plan on getting into, just not right now. I do see an opportunity, just waiting for a better confirmation here. Eh, fuck it, why not? I'm just testing this stuff out right now. Where we at? Let's see what I want to do here. I'm sorry if I'm not talking, guys. I got a lot of things I'm focusing on right now. Kind of should have just waited for. I'm trying to see what I want to do here. I'll kind of just wait. Yeah, hang on, guys. I'll explain. I'll explain my strategy. Just hang on 1 second. Sorry, guys. I just got a lot of. I'm focusing on 3 accounts right now, and live stream at the same time. So it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff to dig in here. So it's a lot to dive into here. Hang on. see here. What? What's going on here? Let's see. What do I want to do here? If nothing changes by the press conference, I'm gonna just end up closing this out. Well, we know that. We know they were gonna raise rates anyways. Ooh, things are changing up quick here. I apologize, guys. I'm so focused on this right now. So I will explain. I will explain what my anticipation was, what I was expecting out of this, and why my main focus was to sell the U.S. dollar index for the rate decision here. So I do apologize for being so heavily focused on this right now because I'm on 3 accounts right now. So it's just it's a lot to take in, and I just don't want to miss an opportunity on any of the positions that I'm doing right now with 3 accounts. So I apologize, guys, but I'm just focusing on a lot right now, and so just wanna I just don't want you guys to be like, oh, I'm so focused on this. I am very focused on this. I'm not leaving you guys. I'm not leaving you guys. Hang. I'm not trying to leave you guys, out on this. It's just I have a lot going on. So, um, just looking at an opportunity, on every single thing right now. Damn, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. Might just end up. There was a decent move, not anymore. Let's see. Okay, press conferences and attendance here. Let's just try. I don't know if I want to keep holding on anymore, bro. Let's go. All right, we made money. If I had dumped more on gold, I would have been fine. Yeah, wasn't gonna try and kill myself anymore. Yeah, so I will explain. Just bear with me for a second. I just got a couple more on the other accounts that I'm focusing on. Gold was actually pretty good on the retracement. That's what my anticipation was. UJ was good too. USDJPY was pretty good. So, uh, yeah, it was a rough ride within the first couple minutes of the release, and I did want to explain this part. My full anticipation of the interest rate decision for this was to sell the U.S. dollar index. Number one, they've been talking about raising rates, so this was already priced in, and the biggest factor is that if they were to keep raising rates, right, which they've been raising rates, from last year until now, right, if we look at every single factor that has hit the markets every time they raise rates, it will backfire. The amount of inflation that's been going on, the what the Federal Reserve has been trying to do to, reduce the inflation matters, and also, what were their hold on, I'm gonna end up closing out this trade here. Woo! This account's doing good too. So all right, so made more than my losses back, so that's pretty good. It's crucial because um now I'm just coasting out with these little small micro lot positions now. So it's crucial because it's important to understand where the Federal Reserve is going for this, and also you know um, how you anticipate trading these news events, right? If we go back, what happened during the pandemic and up until now, rates are at a really low, right? They dropped it all the way down to zero, right? And then now we're going back up to we're climbing the rates even crazier, and so it is it's a big it's a different it's a different approach at this time because high impact news isn't the same as it used to be, and but I always love trading the interest rate decisions and the Federal Reserve press conference. The press conference is about to happen here in 2 minutes, and so this is a really good pullback and good retracement setup, especially for buying gold at the bottom, buying euro at the bottom, selling USD JPY, selling the US dollar to the Japanese yen at the 144 price, and so those three pairs were a decent amount of money to be made on. And my anticipation was to buy gold and sell the U.S. dollar for this rate decision, anyways. So I just want to come back here and see the press conference going to happen here in 60 seconds. You know, there's a lot of scenarios that we can only anticipate for the markets, and you don't want to get yourself caught up on trying to justify on one scenario and justify on a few positions that you're trading on. Always adapt to the markets at all times if it doesn't go your anticipation. Like obviously, if you were to go back to what I was trading within 30 minutes ago, I took a big hit and I made all my losses back. So this is where you have to justify yourself if you were to try and make your money back in trading. If you took a big hit in the beginning of the news event, can you make it? Can you make it back or some more at the other second news event, which is the press conference about to happen here in less than 30 seconds? So now, right in between that, there was a lot of pullbacks and retracement, and that's another thing that you have to consider in trading those pullbacks and retracements. Gold, look at gold, especially gold on the 5 minute and the 15-minute chart. Looking at euro to the dollar, looking at USD US dollar to the Japanese yen. USD Swiss was kind of like a toss up in the middle here and there. Not a whole lot for buying. USD CAD is still up if I'm correct on this. USD CAD is, if I can find USD CAD. Yeah, USD CAD is still up. So US dollar US dollar to Canadian dollar is still up, which is pretty crazy. So I would not get too caught up on that pair. That is another pair that you have to be very careful in trading. That pair likes to move on its own. So like I said, US dollar is pretty bullish today. Good pullbacks on certain pairs of for today. They dropped indices like nothing. Wall Street fell down significantly today. S&P and Nasdaq fell down a lot today. So other than that, the U.S. dollar is still going strong. So I would not try and push anything against the U.S. dollar until this session is over. The session will be over here in 2.5 hours. What? Let me type this in. DJ Powell wait for stagflation. Stagflation. Hold on. Always I don't want to say here for you guys. Check out fx3.com, read up on the news. Don't get, like I said, it's, I don't want to say here. I wouldn't, like I said, personally, you don't want to get yourself in a position where you're constantly all over the place, right? I do see some opportunities again. Yes, sir. I see some more opportunities. Yeah, keep dropping. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Anyways, I'm just getting excited, that's all. Nice. The US dollar is finally dropping back. The anticipation, damn, gold is killing it right now. Gold is killing it. Wow. Gold's actually killing it right now. This is nuts. If you're on gold, you can't miss out the opportunity here. I missed out because I cashed out. Gold is doing it. Wow. You held gold on that retracement. That would have been decent. Really decent. This is crazy. Really crazy. It's a substantial move for gold. Wow. So the retracement was pretty cool. I like that. They dropped gold a lot. I mean, not gold. They dropped. They dropped the U.S. dollar. That was my anticipation, anyways. Uh-huh. And I'm just trying to see if I can get these other pairs to keep going. But I do have a place to get. I do have I do have other things I need to do. But I do appreciate you guys being a part of this channel. And yeah, I I'll explain more as I go on into trading these news events, and also diving down into the important aspects of news trading, and can you make your money back if you were to take losses? You can. Now you just have to justify, especially when you get in the beginning, and if you take a major loss, don't ever expect that you're gonna make all your money back. Like a day like this, you can't make all your money back. You know, not every day. Okay, so I just want to make this clear because there are gonna be days where you end up taking a loss, and you think that you can make your money back, and then next thing you know, you end up taking more of a hit and more of a bigger loss, and that's not what trading should be. So always discipline yourself. If things aren't going the way you're anticipating, just take a break. And you always come back. The markets are gonna keep moving no matter what. So that's a wholly different mindset, different way of disciplining yourself when you do have different factors that are coming into the markets like this, especially on a day like this. So, other than that, hope that you guys caught some pips today. Not just me, pips, profits, positive side. And that stay positive, guys. So I'm gonna be ending this stream here right now. I got other things I need to work on. But peace out. Thanks for tuning in. I will tune in tomorrow for you guys.